seafood chowder. First things first, cut your vegetables. So I already peeled my carrots. We're just gonna slice it in half. So okay. Next, we're gonna peel potato. That's all. That's it for the day. I'll see you in the afternoon. So these are my ingredients for the seafood chowder. It's already here: a slice of onion and a slice of celery, carrots, and then we have our potato here, our golden potato, and then we have our bacon, and then we have our fresh shrimp, uh, crab meat, and of course our mixed seafood. So we have a mussel, squid, and a shrimp. And then to make our roux, we need our flour, and I don't need don't need a butter to roux. I just need to do the fat of this bacon. And then we have our herbs, which is fresh thyme, and then rosemary. Have our cream, black pepper, and salt. So let's go. We're gonna make our seafood chowder. When you put the bacon down, you don't need to put an oil on it. Bacon has a lot of fat. We'll put the bacon. Let it sit there until the fat came out.
After the bacon fat come out, so the next step, so we're gonna add onion first. Then add garlic. Add celery and carrots at the same time.
Nagbubutang sa butter ba?
Then add thyme, fresh thyme, and of course rosemary, dried rosemary, to add the flavor and aroma as well, and mix. Then add flour, shortcut method techniques. A half cup of flour, Now we're gonna add our champion, the potato. So leave the to cook, and then I'll get back later. After 5 minutes, well, check. There you go.
So yeah, it's cooked.
Seafoods mix. So we're gonna add after the potato are cooked. Squid, shrimp, mussels, scallops, crab meat, the shrimp, so seafood chowders is almost done. It's so delicious. Cover it, bring it to boiled. So finishing touch, just add the cream. Now we add seasoning, which is ground black pepper, a little bit of salt, there
Okay.
you go. Look at that seafood chowder made by Kim Chef. There you go, seafood chowder.